This is a video for the StarknightMT improved version of the Soft Rear window for the 2022 CF Moto ZForce 800 Trail. And this is just showing the fit and finish. I actually like the way it looks. I did use a Velcro strip on the bottom, but instead of the push pins, but I might change that. But overall, it looks and fits pretty good. Here's the inside view of how the straps fit and how it fits after you bolt on the roof, how all of those straps fit. So, and how it looks from the inside. So overall, it actually looks pretty good. This window did come with instructions. They are pretty good, pretty precise, and pretty easy to install. So I didn't do the install video.